Put your hands together.
Dear God, thank you for a world is safe. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for each new morning with its light. For the rest and shelter of the night. For health and food. For love and friends. Thank you, good for every day. Amen.
Cái về